Welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss the concept of operator overloading. C++ allows operator overloading for user-defined data types. First of all, what is operator overloading? Operator overloading means an operator is used in multiple operations. An operator is used in multiple operations on operands of different data types. Generally in C++, the different data types comes under user-defined data type. That is simply operator overloading is an operator is implemented with multiple operations on operands of user-defined data types. Now, what to do? To perform operator overloading, the user has to create an operator function. This is the very important one. A simple definition is multiple operations is called overloading. To implement the concept of operator overloading, the user has to create operator function in the program. Now, how to create operator function? The operator function is created in two ways. An operator function in the program is created by the user in two ways. One is the operator function is created as a member function or is created as a friend function. That is our wish. Operator function is created as a member function or a friend function. Now, first we will do what is the syntax of creating an operator function as a member function, and then we will do operator function as a friend function. Okay. So what is operator overloading? This one. An operator is defined for multiple operations. Now, we will discuss the syntax of operator function. Operator function as a member function. That is, we can define operator function as a member function or a friend function. First, if it is created as a member function, everyone know what is a member function? The function defined inside a class. So, the syntax is return type space operator space operator symbol with some parameters definition. See, some set of statements. This is the syntax of operator function. So, return type specifies which type of value is returned by performing this operation. Here, operator is the keyword. It specifies that this is an operator function. The keyword specifies that this is an operator function. By using this, we are performing operator overloading. Okay, what is the meaning of this one? Here, operator is the keyword which is used to specify the operator overloading on the operator symbol. That means on which operator we are performing operator overloading. For example, minus. Here the symbol is minus. I am performing operator overloading on minus. Plus. Perform operator overloading on plus. This is the syntax and parameters. If any inputs, we can pass as a parameters. This is the syntax of an operator function is defined as a member function. Now, everyone know the member functions are defined inside the class and outside the class. If the function is defined inside the class, this is the syntax. If the function is defined outside the class, then what to do? The declaration of the function is inside the class and the definition is outside the class. In the outside, what is the syntax? The syntax is this one. Class name, scope resolution operator. Okay. If the function is defined outside the class, then you have to use like this: class name, scope resolution operator, and the remaining everything is common. Similar to the member function inside the class and outside the class. The scope resolution operator specifies this is within the scope of the class. This is within the scope of the class. This is an operator function is defined as a member function. Now what is the second one? The operator function is defined as a friend function. Operator function is defined as a friend function. The syntax is return type friend. So the remaining procedure is completely same, but friend function has a property. Observe carefully. Before the declaration, use the keyword friend. Use the keyword friend. Return type operator is a keyword. On which symbol we are performing operation? These are different parameters. Semicolon. That is, whenever we are placing semicolon, that is declaration. The friend function is declared inside the class. This function is declared inside the class, and outside the class we are writing like this: simply return type operator, operator symbol, and if any parameters, and the definition like this. Okay. If you are using friend function, the function is declared inside the class and we are providing definition outside the class. In this process, the keyword friend is used at the time of declaration, not at the time of definition. And at the same time, here it is already friend, no need to use scope resolution operator. No need to use scope resolution operator. Okay. This is the way to create operator function as a friend function. Finally, what is the process of creating an operator function? That is, simply, what is the process to perform operator overloading? The process is very simple. The first one is create a class. Why we have to create a class? We are performing operator overloading on user defined data type. So class is a user defined data type. So the first thing is create a class that defines the particular user defined data type to perform operator overloading. So once we create a class, next create operator function. Create operator function in public section. So we have access specifiers private, protected and public. So in this, after creation of the class and inside the class, we have to declare an operator function. We have to declare an operator function in the public section. And the next step is simply implement the operator function. So once we declare the after function, we have to provide implementation. We have to provide implementation to this operator function. This is the process of creating operator function. Okay. So in this process, so what to do? Remember, first we have to fix it, whether it is declared as a member function or a friend function. If you declare member function, we can write either inside or outside. If you declare the friend function, if you declare inside the class and definition is outside the class. Definition is outside the class. Okay. In the next session, we will move to the rules of operator overloading.